Hi guys, welcome to How to Crack the Java Interview. Today topic is what is the contract between equals method and hashcode method. Actually equals method and hashcode method, equal method and hashcode method, these are used to bucketing in hashmap implementation. Used to bucketing in the hashmap implementation. Collections such as hashmap and hashset use hashcode value of an object to determine how it is should be stored inside a collection. Collections such as hashmap and hashset use hashcode value of an object to determine how it is should be stored inside a collection. A. Find the right bucket. A. Find the right bucket. Find the right bucket. You can use you can use hashcode method. You can use hashcode method. Then B, search the bucket, search the bucket for right element, for the right element, for the search the bucket for the right element. You can use, you can use, you can use dot equals method, dot equals method, dot equals method. Okay, just example, just example. I have a employee class. I have a employee class. Um, have a employee ID, age, name, and I setter getter method. I override equal method, but it does not override hashcode method. If you override equal method, does not override hashcode method, what will happen? Just example, the employee class. Just create one employee object. Employee employee E1 equal to new employee of just example two parameter name and age, ram is 24, one object. I'll create another object e2 e2 e2, that is first one is e1, second one is e2, same ram, and age is 24. Both both the object are same, e1 and e2 are same. If it does not override the hashcode method in employee class, then e1 dot hashcode equal to some value e2 dot hashcode some value. Just example, that value is both are different. Why? We'll give the result like this: e1 and e2, e1 and e2, hashcode of e1 and e2 both are different. Why? If you not override the hashcode method in your employee class, then it will call the when you try to call the e1 dot hashcode, it will call the hashcode of the superclass. Superclass object class is superclass. All class super object class contain hashcode method. That hashcode method always return the distinct value. That's why e1 e2 are same, but hashcode is different. e1 e2 are considered as equal. as equal method, but hash code of the two object is different, that will be that will be violation of violation of our general contract between equal method and hash code method. Because of that only, you should override the hash code method in your employee class. If you override the equal method in employee class, then you have to must override the hash code method in employee class. Then we'll go to the next step. Yeah, next step, that is the contract between the equal and hash code. If two objects are equal according to the equal method, if two objects are equal according to the equal method, then hash code of the both object must be same. Hash code of the both object must be same. But it is not necessary that if you have same hash code of two object means those two objects are equal. Those two objects are equal. That is the contract between the hash code and equal method. If your employee class or your user defined any class override the equal method, then compulsory it is mandatory to override the hash code method, because it will violate the contract between the hash code and equal. Then go to the next.